in the holes, and then we're going to go along and pop them through. That's a kind of tough one. I think they got some countersunk rivets mixed in with these protruding head rivets. So I'll make sure I get all the right rivets. You can hear somebody flying right now. Let's see.
How appropriate.
Okay. Alright, so I've got them all in the holes, and then I'll remove these clecos in a minute. Let's go ahead and pull these rivets. Yeah, this is making it a lot easier. You can see we already did about 5 or 6 of them.